Hi, Dr. Brad here with Hope Clinic. So I've been having some families, some parents asking, what do we do if we choose to mask our kids going back to school? So we've got a few tips here. When you wear a mask, what happens is carbon dioxide can build up in the body. That can cause what we call acidosis. Acidosis, you can think of it as becoming more acidic in the bloodstream. So some of the symptoms that can happen are like headache, you can feel kind of down or depressed, lethargic thinking, anxiety, things like that. Things can get a little more heightened. You can also have things come out your skin. You can have, some mouth infections, like we've seen some candida infections, what we call thrush in the mouth. Can get a little bit more acne around where the mask is. Even that's hard for some kids to deal with. So what can you do? Hydration is number one. Hydration is number one, okay? Because that helps us clear the excess acid out of our body. Another thing is whenever you get a chance, take the mask down, do some nice deep breathing. Because another thing is when you are getting less oxygen and more carbon dioxide breathing in and out of a mask, your diaphragm tends to not breathe as deeply. You automatically shallow breathe. Now that could be part of the anxiety thing that goes on too. So when you get a chance to get that mask off, just, some nice big breaths, relax, and so it's not this hyperventilation type thing. Obviously, getting out of breath every day with exercise, I know it's the same thing you hear from y'all. It goes back to basics. Basics are the basics. And another thing you can do at home is with the diet. Any kind of green leafy vegetable or green veggie is good for helping your body clear extra acid, because those are what we call alkalizing foods. So the more alkalizing foods you can get in your kid, I know that's Dr. Brad asking you to get leafy greens and green vegetables into your kid. Not the easiest thing to do all the time, but if you can be even creative and get it in, or even there's some pretty good green drinks out there that if we can sneak it into your kid, that might help too.